The Buick Cascada comes equipped with technologies to make it a comfortable and refined driving experience. The Cascada's reinforced body structure supports the roll bar system and is the foundation for the car's strength and responsive driving experience. Hidden away to maintain the Cascada's sleek top-down look, the high-strength steel roll bar technology is attached to the Cascada's strong steel body. When deployed from behind the rear seats, the roll bars are designed to extend to approximately the height of the windshield, which is made from reinforced steel